One thing I hear from my clients time after time after time, it is dumb to buy a home right now. I will wait for the mortgage interest rates and for the home prices to come down. They tell me that the way the economy, the real estate market, and the interest rates are going, there is no way the home prices will hold. Housing market crash is inevitable. They want to wait for that magic moment when home prices fall, and then they will buy homes at lower prices and with better mortgage interest rates than that's what's available now. At this point, there are no indicators that the housing market will collapse anytime soon. This myth of looming market drop, this type of wrong thinking, can I say wrong thing? Is holding many potential home buyers back, and they are losing invaluable market opportunities. I'm talking about people just like you who need to buy homes for themselves to live in and who also can afford current level of monthly house payments. Know that most Bay Area families will stay in their homes for 10 or more years and will fully benefit from the property values appreciation and wealth building opportunities home ownership provides. Just in the last 10 years, between 2012 and 2022, Bay Area median home sale price grew by an unbelievable 163%. The interest rates were growing for the last 2 years. Right now, the mortgage rate is approaching 7.25%. A year ago, the interest rate was a whole percent lower than now. As the inflation rate is slowing down, it is expected that the mortgage rate will follow this downward trend. According to Barbara Corcoran, a real estate expert of Shark Tank fame, this will be the time when many consumers who were sitting on sidelines will jump into the market and home prices will go up by as much as 10 or 15%. She's talking nationwide. Don't get hung up on these numbers. Home prices grow at different rates in different areas. Even here in the Bay Area, there is a huge difference in the rate of appreciation, for example, between the Peninsula and East Bay, but it will be a subject of a different video. When should we expect the interest rate to go down? Fannie Mae just came out with their mortgage rate forecast. They predict a mild recession in the first half of 2024, and then the interest rates will stay at elevated levels all the way through 2024, gradually dropping to 6.4% by fourth quarter. This interest rate reduction may not be enough to reignite the real estate market. Most experts set this trigger point at around 5%. I am very skeptical about any predictions at this point because so few of them were accurate. At the beginning of this year, nobody predicted that the rates would be above 7% now in September of 2023. Despite the high interest rates, the real estate market was unbelievably strong so far this year. The reason for that is shortage of housing, that there were so few homes coming to the market while the demand remained strong. Competition for the available homes was fierce because the number of new listings this year dropped by more than 30% compared with the same time last year. Homes are still selling very fast. The median time on the market this year stays at only 9 days, same as last year. Home sale prices were steadily growing as many homes sold with multiple offers and above asking price. And let's put the current interest rate level in perspective. The all-time average fixed-rate mortgage rate is 7.7%, and the highest ever recorded was 18.66% back in 1981. After the Great Recession, we got spoiled by very low mortgage rates, and they may finally get back to historic average levels and stay there for a while. Bottom line, if you are considering buying a home and you are planning to own it for a long time, 7, 10 or more years, there is no better time to buy than now. Bay Area home prices were growing this year as mortgage interest rates inched up from low 6% range to over 7%, and prices may continue to grow due to extremely limited supply. Scary thought is that today home prices may be the lowest you will see in the foreseeable future. And when, as predicted, the interest rates will go down, you will be able to refinance your home at lower rate, reduce your monthly payment, while taking full advantage of the steady home value appreciation. This is Michael Tallis with the Tallis team. With major developments happening daily, if not hourly, it is critical to monitor and report on all the latest trends in the real estate industry. This is exactly what I will be doing. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, support us by clicking on the like button, and please share this video with your friends who also may benefit from it. Till next time.